In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Squarespace website domain name. Before we begin, a quick heads up on what you'll need. Make sure you already own the domain you want to use and that you can log into the company where you bought it. Having that info handy will make this go smoothly. Also, a small tip, domain connections can take a little time to update across the internet, so don't worry if you don't see changes right away. Start by opening your Squarespace site editor. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings icon. Click that to open your site's settings panel. This is where you'll find everything related to your website's configuration, including your domain. Inside the settings, choose domains and email. This is the central place in Squarespace to manage addresses and connections. From there, click on domains to get to the page that handles the domain settings for your site. On the domains page, select Use a Domain I Own. This tells Squarespace you already purchased your domain elsewhere and want to connect it to your site. It's a straightforward way to keep your current domain provider while pointing traffic to Squarespace. Next, type your domain into the field provided. Enter it carefully to avoid typos and include only the domain name itself. No extra slashes or HTTP. Squarespace will handle the rest, including the common WP setup in most cases, so you don't need to add prefixes here. Click Connect Domain to move forward. At this point, Squarespace will get ready to link your site to the domain you entered. You'll be asked to select your provider from a list. Choose the company where you registered your domain. If you don't see it listed, select the closest match or a general option if available. This helps Squarespace display the most accurate connection instructions for your situation. Finally, click Connect Domain again to confirm. After this, Squarespace will guide you with on-screen prompts. In many cases, you'll see records you may need to confirm or update with your domain provider. Just follow the guidance shown in your dashboard. It's normal for the connection to take some time to finalize, often a few minutes, occasionally up to 24 to 72 hours, depending on global DNS updates. While that's happening, you can continue working on your site as usual. That's it. You've connected your existing domain to your Squarespace website. Double check the spelling you entered, keep your provider login nearby in case you're asked to confirm anything, and give the connection a little time to finish. When it's done, your visitors will reach your Squarespace site using your new domain.